Okay, today I'm only going to solve about two of these equations. You can see your blue handout right now. Um, says write two equations, or writing systems of equations. This is kind of straightforward and kind of difficult to teach. So I'm going to just do two of these and get them over with, and then walk around and make sure y'all get help one-on-one. So I'm going to start with what we're doing. We're not worrying about solving any of these things. We just want to know, can you read this information and pull from it an equation? So I'm going to go ahead and start. Jasmine and Gabriella are selling wrapping paper for a school fundraiser. Customers can buy rolls of plain paper and rolls of shiny wrapping paper. Jasmine sold 14 rolls of plain wrapping paper and 3 rolls of shiny wrapping paper for a total of $85. Gabriella sold 2 rolls of plain wrapping paper and 10 rolls of shiny paper for a total of $60. Write a system of equations. Okay, so this is kind of fun. I'm going to go ahead and underline two key things here. You can basically see plain wrapping paper, and you can see shiny wrapping paper. Jasmine sold 14 rolls of plain wrapping paper and 3 rolls. Okay, so I'm going to have P and S for my variables. One for plain, one for shiny. Jasmine sold 14 rolls of plain wrapping paper. So here we go. I'm going to write an equation for Jasmine. She sold 14 rolls. How much was it? 14 rolls of plain wrapping paper, that's P, and that and most of the time means plus, and 3 rolls of shiny wrapping paper, 3S, for a total of $85. For a total of typically means equal sign. All right, I'm going to go ahead and switch to blue, and I'm going to write Gabriella's. Gabriella, oh, that's terrible. Oh, my pin that I ordered came in and does not work for it, and I don't know why. So I'm using the old one still. Sold 2 rolls of plain wrapping paper, so 2 rolls of plain, and 10 rolls of shiny wrapping paper for a total of $60. And we have ourselves a system of equations. And if you have, the rule for solving equations is for every variable, you need at least one equation. So you see here we have 2 variables, P and S, and 2 equations. That typically means we have enough information to solve. I'm going to go ahead and quickly do this next one. The senior classes at High School A and High School B planned separate trips to the state fair. The senior class at High School A rented and filled 6 vans and 5 buses with 298 students. High School B rented and filled 3 vans and 6 buses with 324 students. All right, cool. Write a system of equations, do not solve. So the first thing I'm going to notice vans and buses. That is going to be my variables that I'm basically solving here. So you can push pause and read that again if I read it too quickly. I'm going to go ahead and start with High School A. So High School A. Let's see, High School A rented and filled 6 vans, 6 V is my vans, and 5 buses, there's that and 5 B, with 298 students, for a total of 298 students. Total of 298 students. High School B rented and filled 3 vans and 6 buses, there's that and 6 buses with 324 students. 324 students. Can we figure out how many each van and bus holds? There you go. That's all today is. You can see I don't really want to spend much more time than that on it. Any questions? I'll be walking around. There's a lot more in the notes to work out, but I'd rather y'all just switch to the worksheet, which is also blue.